Hello everyone, welcome to my English channel. Today, you're going to learn the most useful English phrases for daily conversations in the United States. These are simple, natural phrases that Americans really use in everyday life. Listen carefully and try to repeat after us later.
Hi everyone! We'll show you how Americans speak in real situations, like at work, cafes, or casual meetings. Let's get started.
Hi, how's it going today?
Hey, it's going pretty well. I'm a bit tired, but overall I'm doing okay. How about you?
Not bad, just busy with work these days. It feels like there's always something to do.
Yeah, I totally understand. Work can get overwhelming sometimes. Do you feel stressed or is it manageable?
It's manageable for now. I'm trying to stay organized and not overthink too much. That usually helps.
That's a good approach. Staying organized really makes a difference. By the way, have you been getting enough rest lately?
Honestly, not really. I've been going to bed late almost every night. I need to fix that.
Same here. I keep telling myself I'll sleep early, but it never happens. Life just gets busy.
Exactly. That's something many Americans say. Life gets busy.
Yes, and another common phrase is, I'm hanging in there. It means you're okay even if things are tough.
That's right. For example, if someone asks, "How are you doing?" you can say, "I'm hanging in there."
It sounds natural and very American, not too positive, not too negative.
Let's continue the conversation. So, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Nothing special, honestly. I'm thinking about relaxing at home, maybe watching some shows and catching up on sleep.
That sounds nice. Sometimes doing nothing is the best plan. I might meet a few friends, but nothing is set yet.
Yeah, keeping things flexible is good. Another useful phrase Americans use is, I'll see how it goes.
Exactly. It means you don't have a fixed plan yet.
Right. You can say, I might go out this weekend. I'll see how it goes.
Very natural. Now, before we move on, let's review quickly.
Today, you heard phrases like, how's it going? I'm hanging in there. Life gets busy. I'll see how it goes.
These phrases are simple but very powerful. They help you sound natural and confident in American English.
In the next part, we'll continue with more daily conversation phrases and longer, more natural dialogue.
So stay with us and keep practicing. Welcome back. Now let's continue with more useful English phrases that Americans use every day in real life. That's right. These phrases will help you sound more natural and confident when you speak English. Let's continue the conversation. So, how long have you been working at your current job?
I've been working there for about 3 years now. Time really flies when you're busy.
It really does. 3 years sounds like a long time, but it goes by quickly. Do you enjoy what you do?
Most of the time, yes. Every job has its ups and downs, but overall I like it.
That's a very common way Americans talk. They often say, it has its ups and downs.
Exactly. It means there are good days and bad days, but that's normal.
Another phrase you might hear is, I can't complain.
Yes, if someone asks how things are going, you can say, I can't complain.
It doesn't mean everything is perfect, it just means things are okay.
Right. It sounds polite and very natural in American English.
Let's keep going. Do you usually get busy during this time of year?
Oh yes, definitely. This is the busiest season for us. Things slow down later.
That makes sense. A lot of people say, things will calm down soon.
Exactly. That's a very common phrase at work.
Here's another useful one. I'll take care of it.
Yes, it means you're responsible for something and you'll handle it.
For example, don't worry about the email. I'll take care of it.
That sounds confident and professional.
Now let's talk about daily life outside of work. Do you usually cook at home or do you eat out?
I mostly cook at home. Eating out can get expensive, but once in a while it's nice.
I agree. Americans often say, it adds up.
Yes, for example, eating out every day really adds up.
That means the cost becomes a lot over time.
Exactly. Another common phrase is, that sounds good to me.
Right. If someone suggests a plan, you can say, that sounds good to me.
It's simple, polite, and very natural.
Let's review a few phrases from this part.
You heard phrases like, it has its ups and downs, I can't complain, I'll take care of it, that sounds good to me, it adds up.
Try to use these phrases in your daily conversations. The more you practice, the more natural your English will sound.
Thank you for listening and practicing with us today.
This was part 2 of the most useful English phrases for daily conversations in the USA. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.